Hi, I'm making this video today, unusually on a farm at harvest season, which is the perfect time to be talking about the wheel of the year. This is an intro video to get you to use, not just read, but use my blog post at raisingclarity.com, the wheel of the year. I'm very interested in people putting it to work for them. That's why I wrote it. It's a reference piece. I intend to refer to it a lot, and I hope you will too. So whenever you're watching this, identify first of all, what season is it? And scroll to the season mentioned in the blog post. Right now we're at harvest time, which is the culmination of nature's new year. Fall is the new year. Fall is the next season. So are you in fall? Are you listening to this in fall? Is it winter? Spring? Summer? Harvest is the end of summer. I want you to think about, first of all, when you're doing this. And then I want you to think about your project that you want some help with. And that help is going to come from nature, from everything in the world of form, which has a cycle, just like this farm does. The cycle starts in the fall. If you can, I want you to start your cycle with your project in the fall. And then I want you to watch what happens if you go ahead and use this blog post the way it was intended and watch and use the natural energies, the physical, material, 3D world energies to support your project, to support your goal, all the way through the cycle of the year, and watch what happens. If you have any questions, contact me. It's easy to do in the blog post. All right. Happy planning, cleansing. Happy allowing and embracing. Happy giving structure. Happy relaxing and receiving. Noticing and banking your harvest. I promise you, it does make it much easier to do it in the cycle of the wheel of the year. Thanks.